Alright, if you found this video, you probably have the same issues that I've had. So plowing a gravel driveway with a snow plow. I got a 7-foot Curtis plow on a quick attach for the tractor. I've had this for 4 or 5 years. I tried the PVC, I've tried all sorts of things to make a rounded edge on the blade. It's got a steel blade on it. And this has worked quite well. This was an 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch maybe, fence, chain link fence rail. So what I did was I cut it to length, sliced it down the middle, drilled a couple holes to mount it to the blade. And like I said, it served pretty well, but it's definitely due for an upgrade and replacement. For winters, it's done quite well. So we're gonna rip this off and build a new. So as you can see, over time, the slice that I put in has grown and expanded. It's flattened out a bit on the part that touches the ground, but overall it was very, very effective, and I'm going to do just about the same exact thing as what I did 4 or 5 years ago. So you want to try to get a straight line to cut with. I would recommend a chalk line, but I don't have that, so I'm going to improvise. I'm going to cut a couple notches on either end and run a string line and make some marks with a Sharpie and call that good enough. Alright, that works pretty well. Alright, so we made our slice with the cutoff wheel. The blade we're trying to get onto is probably a 1/4 inch. So I think what I did last time was I just opened up one end a little bit to help get it started, and then just started whaling on it to get it all the way on. All right. There was probably an easier way to do that, but it worked. So we started on one side, got it on, and then sledgehammered it all the way down and kept it on track the whole time. Now I'll drill some holes. All right, I got these 3/16 cotter pins, and these drill a couple of holes, go through the blade and the pipe. Thinking 3 holes should do. Worked for 4 years before, so we'll do 3 of these. Alright, there you have it. That didn't take too long. As I said, I know this works because I've had it for the last 4 years. Basically the exact same setup. So, works for me, it probably worked for you, but open to suggestions.